Alrighty guys, it is now the next day, which is Friday, and today I'm out here baling the hay up. I started last night, but I didn't video it like I said I was going to because I was on a time crunch, kind of just trying to get as much up as I could. And yeah, I got 46 bales done last night, and that was just on the front part of this power station field. So yeah, we're doing pretty dang good. Last year our total bale count was 56 off of the power station field for the first cutting. For the second cutting, I think I only got like 16 or something like that. It wasn't that great for the second cutting. I gotta check the bale total right now. So we got 53 bales right now. And I just got done with the border. In fact, this was my first straight row. And yeah, I got a lot more to go. So our hay yield is already looking like it's gonna be a lot better than last year. You can go ahead and take a look at the haying videos I made last year, and our bale totals were terrible. But everybody we talked to around here also had been saying the same thing, that their bale count was just awful. I don't really know why that is, but it just happened that way. But this already has been the most bale, or the most bales we've gotten off of this field. Well, going to be the most bales we've ever gotten off of this field. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 70 bales or something close to that, which for a 35 acre field, that is pretty dang good. That's about, what, 2 bales an acre or something like that. And especially for just a flood irrigated field. And the back here, it isn't really flooded that well. There's no real little trenches. So that's really, really good for an essentially non-irrigated field. But anyways, I gotta stop talking.